Hi, I'm Alex. Today I'll show you how you can save loads of time with OE service in the workshop. Even before the customer arrives at the workshop for a service, you can check the maintenance history through OE service, so you can see which jobs have already been done in the past. Just enter the vehicle's chassis number and request the history with a single click. Done. Then we can download the vehicle inspection sheet and see what needs to be done for maintenance in line with the manufacturer's specifications. Just enter the vehicle and inspection details and download it. Oh, look at that! The customer is already here. Right, check, 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 check. Everything seems in order, all done according to the manufacturer's specifications. Thanks to OE service, I was well prepared and knew exactly what to do. This saved a lot of time for both me and the customer. Now I record the service on OE service and that's it. There you go, that's all done already. By tomorrow at the latest, I can download the original manufacturer's maintenance certificate from the OE service portal.